This video will be teaching you how to add scrolling text in OBS. Start by opening OBS. Find and select the scene you want to add text to. Add a new text source and name it. Press Select Font. Customize the font to your liking, then press OK. Type in the text you would like in the field provided. If you would like a break between the first and last character, then be sure to include a space at the start or the end of your text. Make any more alterations to the text and press OK. Right-click on the text source and choose Filters. Press the add sign and select Scroll. Adjust the speed. Horizontal is left to right and vertical is up and down. Setting the speed to negatives will have the text scroll in the opposite direction. You can also limit the box size via the Limit Width and Height options. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please be sure to drop a like and comment. Also, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech videos. It really helps support the channel.